Today we are going to tour 2941 North 19th Avenue, Unit 95 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Discover this cozy one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo located in the heart of Phoenix. The kitchen is a standout, featuring stainless steel appliances, a stunning backsplash, soft close cabinets, and a stylish farm sink. This home offers a bright, open feel with the open floor plan. It is filled with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Charming French doors lead to the bedroom, which continues the open, light-filled feel of the home. The bathroom boasts a beautifully tiled walk-in shower and a stone-like vanity counter, combining style and functionality. Hurry and schedule a tour today.